Yes, hello everyone. Welcome back into this video and welcome back again to Know Max TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online or make passive income by selling your courses for free. You might be having the given skills you want to be teaching to the people. You might be having the courses that you wish you can be providing online and be able to benefit from them, but you're asking yourself where you can be getting the investment, how can you get it started, so how can be you prepare your courses. You are also asking yourself different questions and you are not aware of where you can start. You also are not aware of what you can use to start, and you can see that you almost ask yourself and see that the expenses are going to be much. So in this video, I'm going to show you one of the free platform that you can use to be able to make your online courses and be able to earn money easily as well. You don't need a website, you don't need other things. What you can do is that follow this instruction in this video and see how can you be doing this. Remember to subscribe to this video, like this video, share this with your friends, and also turn notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Know Max TV. If you have any suggestion or a comment, I'll leave it in the comment section. Without wasting time, let's get started. What we need to do, we need to come into our browser and also going to be searching Teachable. So if we search Teachable, this is the one of the platform I'm going to be using. As you can see, I have this platform. What you need to do, you need to click on this platform link. As you can see, I have this URL which is at the top. Let's click on this second one. This Teachable, sell courses, coaching, and digital downloads. So what I need to do, I need to click on this platform. Once I click on the link, I'm going to be proceeding. As I proceed, so you can see now they are telling me to be starting the courses. Now, share what you know, we help you get paid for it. Teachable helps create engage their online audiences and get paid on their own terms and with courses, coaching, community memberships, and downloadable content. What I need to do, I'm going to click on start for free because I want to be joining this program. So once I click on start for free, I can also be able to make money as well. So now let me click here. After clicking here, what I want to be doing, I want to be filling the information here, the details, including my email, my names, and also what I need to be doing. So for example, I need to be adding here also the Max teacher. This was my name, so for demonstration purpose, but you need to fill your names because you are going to be selling the course. What I need to do, I need also to fill my email address here. This is the one you will be using. After this, I want to be proceeding with the password. So you need also to put the password that you'll be using to log into your account. After this, you have to confirm your password. After confirming your password, you need to accept the terms and conditions. You may be clicking here and open this in new tab. Once you open new tab, you may read them. Also, once you have read through them, that is what you can start getting. Also, now I can see now it is not available. So now you can need also even the privacy policies. You can check if they are available. But also if it is not available, never mind about this. Now you have to click on agree to the terms and conditions. And privacy policy as well. Now you have to click create account. You see it is very simple and there are no further requirements they're asking me. Once I'm done, I want to be going to the next step. On the next step, as you can see, I'm going to be also filling the details about my teaching. How will I be teaching? What are the information about me? So tell us a little more about yourself. Do you currently run on a business? You can also choose yes if it's a full-time business. How big is the organization that you use the Teachable account? How is big you're going to be using? So choose the one. I primarily identify as you can be choosing whether you are also a freelancer, maybe a freelancer. Now, as are you already teaching or offering content online? So you can be choosing yes if you have. Now you have to choose the option which is also depending on your option here. So approximately how much money do you make charging your knowledge today? So the money also are trading your knowledge today. Now you have to fill out the amount. So once you are done, how much content or training materials, videos, courses, downloads have you already prepared. So you can be choosing quite a bit. It depends on also the ones you're having, how much time you spend your teachable courses. So the time will be spending also on the teachable courses, I have to fill it out. For example, I will be spending this time. Once you are done this, what you need to do next is to be clicking on next. So you see, I have the option. I have also not affiliate. I have to be choosing this one. For example, this is my audience. Now I click next. Once I click next, you can see they are telling me welcome to your free plan. I'm using a free plan. Publish one product of each type. Upload 10 lesson videos, enroll 10 students, sell any product with also a USD 1 on the plus 10 percentage transaction fee. So as you see, I'm using a free plan. That is where also they give me this package. And also if you want to be upgrade the package, you can be clicking here and also view the plans. Now let me click on get started because I'm using a free plan. So if you have one course, you may also upload it and start selling it. So as you can see, I want to be choose your product. What I'm going to be starting with, I'm choosing the online course. Then also I hit on continue. So once I click on the continue, you can see I want to be do the course itself. So now I have already reached the course dashboard. That is where I can start creating my courses. So you can be seeing here where you'll be managing your sales. You can see where you'll be managing your users and others. So what I need to do, I need to choose also to start creating my own course. Let's start also, for example, creating our own course here. So by creating our own course, we can be following all the steps and also be able to come up with the course. So now we can see, you'll be able to see the analytics here in your platform. What I need to do, let me go back and also be able to create my course. So by clicking here on, by going back, to confirm email address, also to verify account. So you see they are telling me to verify an account. That means you need also to go to your account and also verify your email address. So let's go to this one and start building the course. I click on start building. Here they are telling me also to choose now what I'm going to be teaching about. For example, I'm going to be teaching about web development. So if I'm going to be teaching about web development, now maybe WordPress. So WordPress. So now this one is going to be helping me to continue. I can be choosing help with AI. Now I choose to continue. Jump start your course. You can also be able to generate the course with AI. So if you choose, for example, with AI, now you can be saying that now develop my course with AI. What are the descriptions? So now write 10 courses. Complete the courses. Complete this course preparation. For how to design a website in WordPress. So once you have done this, what you need to do is that you need to be clicking on generate course. As you can see, it is now generating. I have to wait it. Once it is done, I'll be having also the content. Now let's wait a bit and see what is going to be coming up with. Also, this is not recommended because as AI is going to be building the course, that means we will not be having a natural course, or you will not be selling your skills. Also, this is a sample for education purpose. You need to learn how to create your own course. If you possess the given skills, make sure you are using those skills because you are going to be also beneficial to the people other than using AI. So as you can see, I have the course now. It has tried to be preparing the course for me. I can review it and see now how it is going. For instance, I want to be previewing this course. I have to click here, and once I preview the course, it's going to be opening in new tab. So once they open in new tab, you can see I'm going to be getting now on my course. I'm going to be getting the course like I'm also the one who is also looking at the course. For instance, here is the web development WordPress. The author has not added any section or reason of the course. So let me try now publish the course and see what you're going to be seeing. If I publish the course and copy the link and try to be also previewing the course, that is all going to be seeing everything. As you see, it is course generated by AI, and if I click complete and continue, which means I'm completing every phase of the course and also continuing. So now you can also hit on publish if you are not already published it. Now here is how we're going to be also setting the pricing. As you can see, I have now the course, but I need to be setting the pricing. This curriculum, certificate, templates, and others, but I need to be setting the pricing. My pricing also is going to be like, for example, I need to be choosing how much money do I want to be selling this course, maybe 99.9 USD. After this, also this is basic plan. If you want to be selling it on basic on plans based, also now enjoy discount. So now you can see now using everything which is here. Now also you can be adding a description. This course will be helping you to be able to create the WordPress, to be able to be read WordPress site. So you can add description, also depends on what you need. And once you are done, I want to be also adding the pricing plan. As you can see, the pricing has added. Now if I select like this one, that is where you can be seeing that I have different things. Now they are telling me to start the new course. If I start the lesson, that is where I'm going to be also getting everything here. If you want to be testing, you can be also copying this link and also be able to try to be exploring it in new browser and see what is going on. As you can see now, by also free plan, you can be able to publish your own course. Don't use AI, but also remember that if you can be using your own content and skills in this, you can be building a course that will be selling on yourself, that will be getting on yourself or paid for it, and also it will be helping you to earn money by selling your skills. Thank you for watching this video. This is how you can be doing this. If you have any suggestion or comment, leave it in the comment section.